this video, we're going to be making this heartwarming eggless bread pudding, which is so easy to make and you don't need an oven to make it. So first you're going to take 3 slices of stale bread and you're going to break it into pieces. And then you're going to pour your milk in a vessel and set that on low flame. Add in your sugar. And you're going to cover it and let it come to a boil. Meanwhile, you can crush up your cardamom seeds. I love to use fresh seeds for better flavor. And then you're going to set that aside. Once your milk comes to a boil, you're going to add in your butter and let it melt in. Then add in your bread. Dip the bread in the milk using a spoon. And then you're going to cover and let this cook for more 3 to 4 minutes. And then you can switch off the flame. Add on your nuts and dried fruits, and this is optional. And then you can sprinkle on your cardamom powder. And then you can add on some nutmeg powder. You could really use any spices of your choice. And then you're going to cover and let this cool completely. Or you could even serve it a bit warm. Slice it up using a butter knife. And then serve it onto a plate and dig in. It is difficult to even make out that it is made on a stovetop because it looks so exquisite. This is my ultimate comfort food and I love it so much, and you need to try it because you're going to love it too. Subscribe to my channel for new recipes and I will be seeing you soon. Bye!